Today we're gonna walk you step by step on how to change blades out on your bad boy ZT Elite zero turn mower. Pretty bad. We ordered some new ones here and they came in. So we're gonna stick them on there. This should be a pretty easy job. Blades aren't too hard to come by, but our mower is a 60-inch mower. I'll drop the link in the description below for the blades. Pretty cheap there on Amazon. But if you need a set, click on that link there and pick them up, and we appreciate it, and it kind of helps our farm. First thing we want to do, make sure we get all this old off our bolts right there, because we want our socket to go on there real good. We don't want to run a chance of stripping these, because if you strip these, you cause yourself a lot of trouble. Pretty easy peasy. First one anyway. Got some old hay string wrapped around her. Get all that old junk off of there. Y'all see the difference. She's gonna cut a lot better now. That old dirt, sure you get up, you don't want to strip one of these up. Always make sure you put your blade, don't put your blade on upside down. Cutting the edge to the bottom. People ask me why my knife won't never cut. It's always about half dull. But this is the reason right here, because I use it for everything. And it's one of the most handiest tools you ever put in your pocket. These things, you can look on in the manual and get the torque specs for them. But and if you don't have a good strong impact, I recommend you do that. But this impact I got here, you see how easy it is to take them off. There's no worry about the torque going back on. There's gonna be plenty of tight. And that's it. Got new blades on her. Should do some cutting now. As you can tell, them blades was pretty bad. The lift was actually broke off of that one and that one. Tell what side I usually ran on the roughest. This here farm jack. It's one of the best all around jacks on a farm. But you do have to be aware. See where I put my foot? You see where my head's at? Don't never put your chin under that handle. We appreciate y'all watching, and as always, God bless. We'll see you next time.